so that's the end of the video. As you saw, I actually made it into a Greek yogurt. That means I drained out all the whey, right, from the yogurt to make it actually thicker, right? So so it just depends on how I like it, but usually this is my first batch in a long while, so I usually like it to be thicker, right? So what I'll do is I usually preserve like 100 mils of this yogurt to use as a starter for my next batch, and then the next time I can choose whether I'm going to drain it or just have it a little bit more runny. But yeah, I like to have yogurt usually with something. I'm not really a fan of just plain yogurt. Definitely when I was young I wasn't, but these days yeah, I can have it on occasion, but I usually like to have like a sweetener. As you can see, it's thick like this, so I'll have some sort of a sweetener, like it can be honey or syrup or jam, right? So but I usually like to have my granola with yogurt, so I will, yeah, let me use a new spoon. So yeah, so this is my homemade granola. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it below. But yeah, so I like to have my yogurt, some bit of granola. Right, so the granola is already sweet. I usually put like a dollop of syrup, but this time I'm also going to put like just, I don't know, a generous spoonful of honey. Not honey, my homemade jam, right? And then yeah, that's it. Yeah, so let me know if you try out this recipe. Let me know what you think. There's so many ways of making yogurt, but this I found is actually the easiest. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, right, if you haven't subscribed already, and please don't forget to hit that like button and turn on the notification, and please comment down below. Let me know what you think. What's your favorite type of yogurt? What's your favorite type of topping? And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. And yes, I forgot to say, I actually keep this liquid. You can use it in so many different ways. Some people water their plants with it, but I don't have plants. I actually use it as a milk substitute when I'm baking, and I also use it like to marinate meat. It's very good. And yeah, so if you don't like it, you can just chuck it away, but it's got so many uses. And yeah, so yeah, this is probably going to be used for baking and for marinating. And yeah, thank you guys.